The Netherlands. Informally, Holland is a country in northwest Europe with observers territories. In the Caribbean, it is the largest of the four continental countries of the King of the Netherlands. The Netherlands consists of 12 provinces. Its borders Germany to the east and Belgium to the south, with a North Sea coastline to the north and west. It shares maritime borders with the United Kingdom, Germany and Belgium. The official language is Dutch, with West Frisian as a secondary official language in the province of Friesland. Dutch English Papiamento are official in the Caribbean territories. The people who are from the Netherlands is often referred to as Dutch ethnicity group, not to be confused by the language. Netherlands literally means a country in reverence to its low elevation and flat topography with 26% below sea level. Most of the areas below sea level grow as boulders are the result of land reclamation that began in the 14th century. In the Republic period, which began in 1588, the Netherlands enters a unique era of political, economic, and cultural greatness. Ranked among the most powerful and influential in Europe and the world, this period is known as the Dutch Golden Age. During the time, its trading companies, the Dutch East India Company and the Dutch West India Company, established colonies and trading posts all over the world. With a population of over 18 million people living within a total area of 41,850 km per square or 16,160 sqmi, of which the land area is 33,50 km per square or 1290 sqmi. The Netherlands is the 13th most dense populated country with a density of 35 people per square kilometer. 1,390 people SKMI. Netherlands it is the world's second largest export of wood and agricultural product by value, owing to its fertile soil, mild climate, intensive agriculture, and invest. The value largest cities in the Netherlands are Amsterdam, Rotterdam, The Hague, and Utrecht. Amsterdam is the country's most populous city and the nominal city. Though the primary national politics institute are local in The Hague. The Netherlands has been a parliamentary constitutional monarchy with a unitary structure since 1848. The century has a traditional of pillarization, separation, and citizen into group by religion and political belief, and a long record of social tolerance. Having legalized prostitution and euthanasia, along with the maintain a liberal drug policy, the Netherlands allow women suffrage in 1919, and with the first country to legalize same-sex marriage in 2001, it makes its market advanced economy. As the 11th highest per capita income global, the Hague hold and the seat of the State General Cabinet and Supreme Court. The port of Rotterdam is the basis in Europe. Schiphol is the busiest airport in the Netherlands and the world's basis in Europe. Being a developed country, the Netherlands is a founding member of the European Union, Eurozone, G10, NATO, OECD, and WTO, as well as a part of the Schengen area and the trilateral Benelux Union, with all investment organizations and international crowds, many of which are in the Hague. Main article economy of the Netherlands. Historic GDP per capita development or world in data. GDP per capita. GDP per capita adjusts for price change over time, information and price over between countries. It's measured in information US dollar in 2011 price 1348 $110,000 US dollar.
Bapak dan Ibu yang terhormat, kita telah mendarat di Bandar Udara Internasional Soekarno-Hatta di Tangerang, Banten. Selamat datang di Jakarta. Silakan tetap duduk sampai pesawat ini telah berhenti dengan sempurna dan lampu.
Sukses.
Tanda kenakan sabuk pengaman telah dipadamkan. Sebelum meninggalkan pesawat, pastikan tidak ada barang-barang bawaan Anda yang tertinggal. Kami ucapkan selamat berpisah dan terima kasih atas penerbangan Anda.
Grafik sisi by History GDP per capita development outward in data. Since the 19th century, shipping, fishing, agriculture, trade, and banking have been leading sector of the Dutch economy. The Netherlands has a high level of economic freedom. The Netherlands is one of the top centers in the global, enabling trade port to in.
قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم كلمتان خفيفتان على اللسان ثقيلتان في الميزان حبيبتان إلى الرحمن سبحان الله وبحمده سبحان الله العظيم. كان عليه الصلاة والسلام إذا ركب بعيرا مسافرا كبر ثلاث الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له.
Blending exporting industries. Food start from the largest industry sector. Other major industries include chemical, metallurgy, machinery, electronic, global trade service, and tourism. Expertise of international Dutch companies operation in the Netherlands include Randstad, AVI, Heineken, KLM Financial Service, ING, IBN, AMRO, Rabobank, Chemical, DSM, IGZO, Petroleum Refining, Shell PLC, Electronic Machinery, Philips, ESML, and Satellite Navigation TomTom. The port of Netherlands is Europe's largest port. The Netherlands has the 17th largest economy in the world and ranked 11 in the GDP nominal per capita. The Netherlands has low income inequality, but health inequality is relatively. The speech ranked 11 in GDP per capita. UNICEF ranked the Netherlands 1 in child well-being in rich countries. But in 2007 and in 2013, Amsterdam is the financial and business capital of the Netherlands. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange AEX, part of Euronext in the world, oldest stock exchange and is one of Europe's largest bourses. As a founding member of the Europa, the Netherlands pledged for accounting purposes. It formed currency the gulden Guilder on 1 January 19. Actual euro coin and banknotes followed on 1 January 2002. 1 euro was equivalent to 2.20371 Dutch gulden. In the Caribbean Netherlands, the United States dollar is used instead. The Netherlands is a conduit country that helps to funnel profit from mixed tax countries to tax haven. It has been ranked as the 4th largest tax haven in the world. The Netherlands is part of a monetary union, the Europa Dark Blue, and the EU single market. The location gives it prime access to market in the United Kingdom and Germany. The Netherlands is part of the monetary union, the Eurozone, Dark Blue, and the EU single market. With the port of Rotterdam being the largest port in Europa, other important part of the economy are international trade, banking, and transport. The Netherlands successfully addressed the issues of public finance and stagnating job growth long before its European partner. Amsterdam is the 4th biggest tourist destination in Europa, with more than 4.2 million international visitors. Since the enlargement of the EU, largest number of migrant markets have arrived in the Netherlands from Central and Eastern Europe. The Netherlands continues to be one of the leading European nations for attracting foreign direct investment and is one of the 5th largest investors in the United States. The economy experienced a slowdown in 2005, but its 2006 recovered to the biggest pace in 6 years on the back of increased export and strong investment. The pace of job growth reached 10 years in 2007. The Netherlands is the world's most competitive economy in the world, according to the World Economic Forum Global Competitiveness Report entry. Natural gas consumption in the Netherlands. Den Haag, Utrecht, Arnhem, and Zetten, Amsterdam, Haarlem, Jawel, Alkmaar, Den Helder, Emmen, Groningen, Leeuwarden. Natural gas consumption in the Netherlands. The Netherlands account for more than 25% of all natural gas reserves in the EU. The Groningen gas field was discovered in 1959. Transformed the Dutch economy. It's one of the largest natural gas fields in the world. Beginning in the 1940, the Netherlands discovered natural gas reservoirs. The sale of natural gas generated enormous revenues for the Netherlands for decades. Adding over 6 years, hundreds of billions of euros the two governments budget, about 1.5% of GNP. However, the unforeseen consequence of the centuries of energy will impact the competitiveness of other sector of the economy, lending to the territory of Dutch Asia. The field is operated by government-owned Gasunie and output in joint exploited by the government, Royal Dutch Shell and ExxonMobil. Gas production caused earthquakes which damaged housing after a large public tax in the government needed to phase out gas production from the field. The Netherlands has made notable progress in its transition to a carbon-neutral economy thanks to increasing energy efficient energy demand sourcing of the coupling for economic growth. The share of energy from renewable sources doubled from 2008 to 2019, with especially strong growth in offshore wind and rooftop solar. However, the Netherlands remain heavily reliant on fossil fuels and as a consequence of energy and emission-intensive industry that will not be easy to decarbonize. Its 2019 climate agreement defined policies and measures to ensure the achievement of Dutch climate target and base development through a collaborative process involving parties from across Dutch society. As of 2018, the Netherlands has often the highest rate of carbon dioxide emission per person in European Union. Agriculture and natural resources. The Netherlands biocapacity total only 0.8 global hectares per person in 2016, 0.2 of which are dedicated to the agriculture. The Dutch biocapacity per person is just about half of the 1.6 global hectares of biocapacity per person available worldwide. In contract, in 2060, the Dutch used on average 4.8 global hectare of biocapacity. Their ecology footprint of consumption. As a result, the Netherlands was running a biocapacity deficit of 4.0 global hectare per person in 2016. The Dutch wasted more food than any other EU citizen. However, thanks the EU average, the Dutch agriculture sector is mechanized and has a strong focus in international export. It is export about 4% of the Dutch labor force, but produce largest surplus in the food processing industry and account for 21% of the Dutch total export value. The Dutch rank first in the European Union and second worldwide in the value of agricultural export, being only the United States with agricultural export earning 87 billion in 2014. EU from 75.4 billion in 2012. In 2019, agricultural export will grow world with 94.5 billion in an effort to reduce agricultural pollution. The Dutch government is imposing state limit on the productive of the vermin sector, triggering Dutch farmer protest. 1/3 of the world export of chili, tomatoes and cucumbers who took the countries the Netherlands export on 15 of the world applies a significant portion of that agricultural export going off fish cut plant, flower and flower bulbs, with the Netherlands exporting to 1/3 of the world total. Sorogin State Kingdom of the Netherlands. Before independence, Spain, Netherlands. As of abjuration, 26 July 1518. Bishop Minister, 30 January 1648. United Kingdom of the Netherlands. 16 March 1815. Liberation Day 5 May 1945. Kingdom Carter 15 December 1954. Crippen Reorganization 10 October 2010. Capital and largest city Amsterdam 52 derajat 20 and 4 derajat 53 E. Government set the Hague official language Dutch, regional language West Frisian, Papiamento English, Recognised Lingua, Dutch Law Second, Dutching Language, Limburgese, Sinte Romani, Yiddish, Ethnic Group 20 or 72.0 Dutch, 9.2% other European, 2.5% Turkish, 2.3% Moroccan, 2.0% Indonesia, 2.0% Surinamese, 1.1% Dutch Caribbean, 8.9% other religion 2024, 15 or 56% no religion, 31% Christianity, 70% Catholicism, 14% Protestantism, 6% Islam, 70% other, demonstrates government, unitary parliamentary, constitutional monarchy, monarchs, William Alexander, Prime Minister, Yusuf, Legislature, State General, Upper House, Senate, Lower House, House of Representatives, European Parliament. Netherlands contributed 31 seat areas, total 40.365 km per second or 16.164 SCMI, 134 in the world. Water percent 18.41. Its elevation Mount Scenery 887 m or 2,910 ft. Population 19 Juni 2025 estimated 367,200. 69 in the world. 2011 census 16,655,799. Density 520 km per second or 1,346.8 SCMI, 33 in the world. GDP PPP 2025 estimated total $1.526 trillion 28 per capita $48.566 10 in the world. GDP nominal 2025 estimated total $1.272 trillion 18 in the world per capita $70.480 10 in the world. JINM Netherlands in 5,500 BC. Bronze agriculture in the Netherlands. Colored URNS Hokkerspe Hilversum Eremekot Rosen Asian Cartons ILP Comber Keramik 1850 to 1650 BC. The old human Netherlands in the Netherlands believed to be about 200 years old or Vonermestric. At the end of the Ice Age, the nomadic that's Upper Paleolithic Hamburg culture 13,000 to 10,000 BC. Hunter reigned in the area using spear. The later Anrensbrook culture 11,200 to 9,500 BC. Used build an arrow from Mesolithic Maglemosian Lake Trade C.8,000 BC. The world oldest canal was found in Drenthe. Indigenous late Mesolithic hunter-gatherer from the Southern Plain culture c. 5,800 BC. Related to the Southern Scandinavian Ertebol culture, were strongly linked to river and open water between 8,008 or 4,800 and 4,500 BC. The Suiterpen people start to adopt from the neighboring land water culture the practice of animal husbandry. And between 400 or 4,300 and 4,000 BC agriculture, the Vonelbecker culture 400 or 5,300 to 2,800. Erected the Delmont's largest stone grave monument found in Drenthe. There was a quick transition from the Vonelbeaker farming culture to the pan-European culture where pastoralist culture. See 2950 BC in the southwest, the essence of the Mandre culture related to the Valverdingen culture. See 2600 BC survived well into the Neolithic period until it was succeeded by the Cartware culture. The subsequent Bellbecker culture 2700 to 2100 BC introduced metalwork in copper, gold, and leather, bronze, and opened new international trade routes. Reflected in copper, Utrecht fits fin of red bronze object suggests that Drenthe was a trading center in the Bronze Age. 2000 to 800 BC, the Bellbecker culture developed local into the Bellbecker culture 2100 to 1800 BC, and later the Elk culture 1800 to 800 BC, a Middle Bronze Age culture marked by elder now weather property. The southern region became dominated by the related Alversis culture 180 or 1000
Ed woont in een kubuswoning en stelt elke
800
dag
to 800 BC.
open voor toeristen.
Ik heb nog steeds
Cult
lol
Kermit
in het feit dat
Ted and Romans
de hele
800 BC
wereld naar dit
to 410 ET. When article Iron Age Europe
komen en naar
Cult
binnen
Germanic people and Netherlands in the Roma era from 800 BC
leuke gesprekken.
onward the Iron Age
Dit is de huiskamer, de
culture
woonkamer.
state culture become influential, replaying the Helvetism culture. Iron or but a measure of processing and was available of the country suite traveled from settlement to settlement with bronze and iron. Fabrication doll and lemon. The king's grave of OSS 700 BC was found in a brick mound, the largest of its kind in Western Europe. The deteriorating climate in Scandinavia from 850 BC and 650 BC may have triggered the migration of Germanic tribes from the north. By the time this migration was complete, around
Ook een hele mooie plek.
250 of general culture and linguistic group
Geeft hem toch
had
wel een soort voorwaardelijk gevoel.
the North Sea Germanics inhabited the northern part of the Low Countries. They would later develop into the West and the early sections. The Western region of Germanic or in Phoenix extended along the middle Rhine and western and inhabited the Low Countries south of great rivers that tribes would eventually develop into Sicilian French, the Celtic Latini culture. C 450 BC to the Roman conquest expanded over a wide range include the southern area of the Low Countries. Some scholars have speculate that even a trade ethnic identity and language, neither Germanic nor Catholic, survived in the Netherlands until the Roma period, the Northwest pop culture. Frisi, Kamafi, Frisi, Rutsei,
Tosiaan nämä kuutiotalot on rakennettu 80-luvun alkupuolella ja näissä kaikissa asuu ihan oikeat ihmiset lukuun ottamatta tätä museokäyttöön tarkoitettua. Tämän yhden talon hinta on noin 380 000 euroa ja neliöitä löytyy noin 1000. Talosta löytyy 3 kerrosta. Ekasta kerroksesta löytyy olohuone ja keittiö, tokasta kerroksesta löytyy makuuhuone ja työtila ja kolmannesta kerroksesta löytyy sanottu ullakko tai terassi, josta voi olla ikkunoiden ollessa puhtoita vaikka tähtiä. Tämä on kyllä melkein talo, jossa on ikinä vierailu. Täytyy tosin sanoa, että olisi aika painajaismainen paikka kylläkin sisustaa. Mitäs mieltä te ootte? Olisiko tällaista hyvä asua?
Parisi, Sanones, Piturikes, Cornutes, Aluraci, Kalia, Luktunensis, Lutetia, Akentum, Turotertorum, Tuforlum, Germania Inferior, Belgica, Germania Superior, Retia, Augusta, Voltelicorum, Vindombra, Agrentoratum, Colonia Agripna, Atuatica, Augusta Trevatrum, Panna, Colonia, Nova Sima, Castra Vetra, Nova Gas, Nova Migas, Victo, Traitum, Ledemen Batang Vikram, Kazoriatum, Azona, Bridge, Biturkus, Karmantus, Aulerci, Parasi, Palovaci, Sanoces, Eudui, Sokwani, Halveti, Legunus, Tuluni, Leuci, Nematus, Madio Matrici, Treven, Ringford of the Roman Empire, 70 AD regional camp, Roman fort, Roman city, provinces for the Roman Red Station region, German and Gaul district. The Swiss author Ringford around 70 AD. The descriptive coast of Holland and Flanders was the geographic boundaries, but not in c. 300 to 25 BC. In those region, more people did in the struggle against water than in the Zagrod agreement during the Gaulish War. The area south and west of the Regnum was conquered by Roma first under Julius Caesar from 57 BC to 53 BC. Caesar describes to main district living in what is now the southern Netherlands, the Manabi and the Eurones. Under Augustus, the Roman Empire would conquer the entirety of the modern day Netherlands. A corporation it's into the province of German Antiquity in 7 BC, but would be repelled by a crowd driven over the Wedlow. The Tower of Burgfords in main AD with the now become around brings northern authority around 12 AD. Another town would reach along the Limes Germanis, Ismagen and Verbrugge. In the west part of the Gallia Belgia, the area south of the Limes become part of the Roman province of German Inferior. The area to the north of the Rhine inhabited by the Frisi. They may now sit German rule with the German border treat of the Batavi and Cannover served in the Roman cavalry. Batavi rose against the Roman in the Batavian rebellion of 67 AD. Rotterdam, okay, also Rotterdam, Rotterdam of the river Rotterdam. It is the second largest city in the Netherlands, of the national capital of Amsterdam. It is in the provinces of South Holland, part of the North Sea Mound of the Ravens Michigan Delta, with a new museum inland shipping channels that connect to the museum at first and now to the Rhine. Rotterdam history goes back to 1270, when a dam was constructed in the Rotte in 1340. Rotterdam was granted citizenship by William IV, Count of Holland. The Rotterdam, the Hague metropolitan area, with a population of approximately 2.7 million, is the 10th largest in the European Union and the most population in the country. A major logistic and economic center, Rotterdam is Europe's largest seaport in 2022. Rotterdam had a population of 468 and is home to over 180 different national. Rotterdam is known for its university, representing liberal cultural life, military, modern and modern agriculture. The complete destruction of the city country during the World War II German bombing has resulted in a varied architectural landscape, including separate place designated by architects such as Rem Koolhaas, Piet Blom, and Ben van Belker. The Ravenne was an scale the waterway is into the heart of Western Europe, including the highly industrious route. The extensive distribution system, including railroad and water refinery, Rotterdam the nicknames gateway to Europe and gateway to the world. Political economy in Rotterdam. Gebouw Delftsport, one of the tallest office building in the Netherlands. Rotterdam has always been one of the main centers of the shipping industry in the Netherlands. On the Rotterdam Chamber of the VOC, the world's multinational established in 1602. To the merchant shipping later Royal Navy established in 1970. With its corporate headquarters located in the landmark building the Wisdom served in 1988. In 1997, Woodley market with the bridge shipping industries later P&O, forming the third largest merchant shipping company in the world. The Anglo-Dutch P&O was bought by the Danish Gain Corporation AP Moller Marks in 2005, and its Dutch operations are still headquartered in the Willemstad. Nowadays, all Kno companies with headquartered in Rotterdam are consumer good company. Unilever since 2020, London Asset Management firm Roberto, L Company Eneco, Dredging Company Van Oord, L Company Royal Dutch since 2021 London, Terminal Operation Vopak, Commodity Trading Company Vital and Architecture, firm MVRTV, and official for Metropolitan Architecture. It is also on to the regional headquarters of Chemical Company, Lindert Bissell, Commodity Trading Company Grand Corp, Pharmaceutical Company, Gizer, Logistic Company Slot Nation, Electrical Equipment Company, EBB and Consumer Gold Company, Rector and Gimble. Further, Rotterdam has the Dutch headquarters of Allianz, Merck, Votrobres, Samskip, Louis Davis Group, and AON. The city of Rotterdam was the service of semi-government companies rated to take care of sanitation, waste management, and other service. In the Port of Rotterdam Authority, the Port of Rotterdam, but these companies were once municipal bodies. Now they are owned by the cities. Ummal companies are a European container terminal ECT, the largest container terminal operator in Europe. Being the largest port and one of the largest cities of the century, Rotterdam attracts many people seeking job especially in the job segment. The city's own employment rate in 12%. As the national agriculture, Rotterdam is the largest port in Europe with the rivers Maas and River providing excellent access to the hinterland.